Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a Gumroad account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just go ahead over to gumroad.com/sign up. Alright, again, gumroad.com/sign up. Then once you're in here, you can just easily sign up using your Google account or X account. If not, if you do have other emailing service, you can just go ahead and type down your email right here manually. So let's say, for example, I have this email right here. And then I'm just going to go ahead and enter a password. And then once that's done, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Account. You should do it as well. Click on it. And there will be some verification process. So just go ahead and follow simple prompts right here. Wait a bit. And then once that's done, as fast as that, you now have your Gumroad account. All right. If you want to know more about Gumroad, just go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of videos for you. But that's it for now. That is how you create a Gumroad account. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.